Hello guys, welcome back to Ace Learning. So we will be starting Java Stream API question series, which are the most asked in the interview. So the first question in the series will be to find the occurrence of each letter in the given string. So let's start. So let's consider I have a given string s equal to Saurabh, and we have to find the occurrence of each letter in this string. So first step will be to find the occurrence. We will be using the map to store the key and value pair. So key will be our string, that is like the letter, and the value will be of type long to hold the count. So if we declare map of string comma long, let's take any variable. Now as this is a string, not a list, so to convert into that array stream, then we will have to first use arrays dot stream, and then simply do as dot split with this regex. So with this we will get all the letter in a array list. Now we will perform the operation that collect. So in this collect, the main part is we will have to group by each letter and their count. So we will use the collectors dot grouping by, in which we will have a function dot identity method, which is used to identify the that particular key and store it as a map as a key. Then function dot identity, and to count the value of each letter, that is identity, we will have a method to from the collectors dot counting, so which will count the number of that particular identity in that particular stream. So once we're done, just close here. Now we will just simply print this map. So once we are done, then we'll run this and we will see the output like this. So here you can see a equal to 2, so it means a appear 2 times in this string. So you can try with this any string and let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section. So we will come back with the next video soon.